So we wake up. You know, your teacher Lily sent me a message. She asking, did you guys planning to have a play date after exam? Sydney, Anastasia? Play date at the West Park? Huh? You guys have planning? So today, she invited you to go at the West Park around 1 p.m. You wanna go? Huh? So get up, go, fresh, shower. Wow, very fast. If like this, she's very fast. Wake up, honey. Yes. Why? You don't want? Still sleepy? Okay, you can go back to sleep. No need to go.
Okay,
Huh?
I come.
You will come? You not feel sleepy?
But what time I go home?
Your teacher Lily will send you back. She will send me a message
Here's your
again.
best friend, Sydney, and who else? The monster?
Anastasia.
Yes, I call her monster.
She's very fast. Wake up, daddy.
Is it?
Yeah, if like this.
Yeah, I can see the face now.
Yeah.
Not half eyes open. Normally, like this.
Okay,
Wake
go
up, wake
shower and then get ready early, huh? I will send you around 1 p.m., okay? Or daddy will send you there.
You can send it.
Anything, you can go daddy shop there, okay?
What West Park?
West Park there, did you remember?
In the
The
mall.
one, the playground there in the mall? Mini balls?
Oh.
Remember?
You remember or not?
Okay?
Before you are small, you always go there. Very pretty.
You bring your sister, okay? Why?
You play with
Hi
him.
guys.
Hi.
So, ihatid ko guys si Zoe sa mall. Mayroon silang play date ng mga classmate niya. I know, not all classmate. Just 3 person. Right?
Yes.
Anna and Sydney. So, they are going to play at the West Park. Right, Zoe?
West or South?
West Park. Is super excited. Look at her. Did you? Are you excited?
No.
No, why you're smiling like that? Nandito na kami guys sa lift. Papunta na kami ng 2nd floor. Excited yan si Zoe. Oh, no, not there. Oh, okay, open. She's so excited, my goodness. 2nd floor. Okay. No. Come here. Where are they? Come now. They changed already the entrance. Go, huh? Bye-bye. You call daddy, huh?
Okay.
Okay? I think they are inside there. Oh, there go. That's it. Go. Go. I'll go, anak, ha? Anak, I'll go, okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, meet them. Go there or inside. They're hiding, I think. Okay?
4 hours later.
Coming, Day today. You play properly today?
Yeah, but why
You play well?
so late?
Oh, so, I check you. Then you're not there.
Yeah, I'm there sitting down.
So, you play or also arcade? I didn't see you. So, you enjoy today with your friends? Oh, see, you go na toilet na. Oh, see, Ash, we also want to go to the McDonald's. So, wait now, we go home first. Let's go, we go home first. Ay! Oh my God. Okay, take your sister. Come on. Tonight, we're going to McDonald's tonight.
Really?
Yeah, let's go.
6 hours later.
I will make magic now. Zoe will be here. Magic. Huh? You are going to make That's the first thing you want to watch.
Sino po buti? Oh, it's toilet.
There's a cell phone.
guys, nandito na naman tayo sa
Why?
McDonald's.
Is it spicy?
At ito na naman yung order namin. Tingnan nyo guys, paano kami papayat guys,
Try.
na lagi kaming kumakaon ng McDonald's. So, okay lang guys, hindi na ako magda-diet. Next year na ulit ako magda-diet, okay? So, hindi ko favorite ang french fries. Tara, kain tayo ng french fries. Honey, give me my kanin. My other bag. Uy, Ashby, put your feet down. So, ito guys. Ito guys, may baon tayong kanin. Tingnan nyo. For Ashby guys, as usual. Tada! Mindset ba? Mindset. Man watching. Ano? Ayan guys, ang kanin ko. Sa Brunei, kukunti lang yung mga nagbibideo. Pero ngayon guys, marami na din ako nakikita ang mga food vlogger doon sa TikTok. Marami na ako nakikita ang nagti-TikTok. Kaya minsan okay na din sa akin yung nagbibideo-video ko sa mga public area. Kasi marami na rin akong nakikita. So alam nyo ba guys, dito yung spicy chicken. It's too spicy or not? Not really. So this is the spicy chicken guys here. Sobrang spicy to guys. Compare pag nasa Pilipinas ka, kapag kumain ka ng chicken spicy sa Pilipinas, ang ginagawa nila, nilalagyan lang nila ng flavoring sa itaas. Na-try ko kasi guys dun sa Jollibee. Kumain kami ng spicy chicken. Pero ang ginawa nila, linagyan lang nila ng parang paprika ba yun, yung chili powder. So, kung ganun yung gagawin nila guys, magbabaon ako ng chili powder from dito to Philippines. Ilalagay ko na lang sa chicken. Kasi kapag nag-order ka pala sa Jollibee guys doon, may extra siyang bayad. What happened? So, kain na tayo guys, okay? Tapos mamaya mag-record tayo dun sa sa may mga heart. Ang anghang. Tapos ito naman yung normal chicken nila guys. So, regular chicken. Dito sa Brunei, kapag tumawid ka ng kalsada, hihinto ang sasakyan. Kapag sa Pilipinas, tumawid ka ng kalsada, babanggain ka nila. Hi guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa bridge na maraming heart. Tingnan nyo guys, tada! Let's go, mag-walk tayo at tingnan natin tong napakagandang bridge dito sa Brunei. Ang ganda-ganda niya guys, tingnan nyo. Marami siyang ang dami gawin running. And then nandun sila guys. Nandun yung aking mag-ama, naglalakad sa bridge. Kung gusto niyo guys mag-photoshoot, pwede kayo pumunta dito sa bridge na malapit dito sa mall. Oh, diba? Ang ganda-ganda. Wala na yung malaking bote dyan. Let's take video. Come here.